What's the meaning of campaigning? Campaigning. Campaigning.
Campaigning. Campaigning. Campaigning refers to the organized efforts of a group or individual to promote a particular cause, candidate, or product. The ultimate goal of campaigning is to influence and persuade others to take a specific action or adopt a certain viewpoint. Successful campaigns often result in increased awareness, changes in behavior or attitudes, and, in some cases, tangible outcomes such as increased sales or election victories. Campaigns can be conducted through a variety of channels, including advertising, social media, public relations, and direct mail. The effectiveness of a campaign depends on many factors, including the quality of messaging and the target audience's receptiveness to the message.